Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making cold food, so stay tuned. So I have my cold food already washed with vinegar and lime. Now I'll be using black pepper, old bay, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, complete seasoning, garlic salt, browning onto my cold food, and I'm gonna be adding my Korean seasoning onto it as well. And I'm just gonna give it a really good mix. So I'll be adding olive oil to my pressure pot on medium heat. Once the oil is heated, I'll be adding 2 crushed garlic just to give the oil a little bit of flavor. Then you can go ahead and add your cold food in your pot. Add 1 cup of water in our seasoning bowl. Go ahead and add your seasoned water to the pot, and we're going to allow this to pressure for 45 minutes. Once 45 minutes is over, I'll be checking my cold food to see if it's soft or it needs more time, but this was perfect for me. So I'll be adding spring onions / scallions, scotch bonnet, pepper, thyme, because I wanted to add more flavor. Even though we added green seasoning, but I just wanted more flavor. Now I'll be adding all-purpose seasoning that we use. You can go ahead and put 1 tablespoon of that. Then I'll be using tin butter bean. You can use any of your choice. Now we're moving on to the spinach, which is dumpling. I added 4 spoons of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, quarter of room temperature water, and we're going to combine everything together, and we're going to knead really well. If you feel as though you need to add more water to your flour, please go ahead and just knead it so it becomes like a dough. Now I'll be adding my spinach. To make a spinach, you take a little piece from the dough and you rub it between your palms just like this, and then you add to your cold food. I'm gonna let this cook for another 10 minutes until it thickens, and then that is it guys. So until next time, bye.